Hi everyone, konnichiwa. This is Japanese Study Hub. Welcome back to our official YouTube channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to do a self-interaction in Japanese. Japanese people do self-interaction when somebody meet for the first time. So as a Japanese language learner, you want to know how to do a self-interaction. So today's lesson is very important and super simple. Okay, let's get started. We say Jikoshoukai in Japanese for self-introduction. Jikoshoukai. 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 Self-introduction. First, let's see sample introduction in Japanese to get rough idea. This is Aria. She's from Canada, 23 years old, and she is a teacher. Let's see how she's doing her introduction. I'll explain you one by one. Okay, here we go. Konnichiwa. Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Aria desu. Kanada kara kimashita. Watashi wa 23歳です。先生です。どうぞよろしくお願いします。Okay, now let's see the meanings. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa means hello. When you do your introduction, first you must greet the person. If it's time in the morning, you can say good morning. In Japanese, Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Or you can simply say hello. In Japanese, we say konnichiwa. 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 Hello. Konnichiwa. After your greeting, you must say Hajimemashite, which literally means nice to meet you. Hajimemashite. 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 Nice to meet you. After that, you heard Aria introduced her name. So generally, after you say Hajimemashite, you want to introduce your name. Here, Watashi wa Aria desu, which means I'm Aria. Watashi wa Aria desu. I'm Aria. Watashi means I or me. Wa is a particle in Japanese which used as a topic-making particle. So here, Watashi wa means I am. Aria is her name. So you need to do replace your name here when you introduce your name. This, which literally means to be. Normally we used to write this at the end of the sentences. You can see this is written as desu. Desu. But in spoken Japanese we pronounce it as this. This. Not desu, this. So, when you introduce your name in your introduction, you can follow this sentence. Place your name into the blank. Watashi wa, your name, this. Watashi wa, nani nani, this. Let's take an example. Watashi wa bin desu, which means I am bin. Watashi wa bin desu. I am bin. Okay, now you can say your name in Japanese. Secondly, you heard Aria has told she's from Canada. In Japanese, we heard Kanada kara kimashita. Kanada kara kimashita literally means I'm from Canada. So Canada means Canada. You can simply replace your country to here. Kara, which literally means from. Kimashita means came. Simply it says I'm from Canada. When you introduce yourself, you can say your country like this. Put your country here. Kara kimashita. Kara kimashita. Let's see some examples. Igirisu kara kimashita, which means I'm from England. Indo kara kimashita, which means I'm from India. Sri Lanka kara kimashita, which means I'm from Sri Lanka. America kara kimashita, which means I'm from America. Okay, now you can introduce your country in Japanese. Next, Arya said she is 23 years old. In Japanese, watashi wa 23 歳です. Now you know watashi means I'm. So 23 is Arya's age. Simply you wanna replace your age here. Sai. Sai means it's a counter used in Japanese to say age. First you need to write your age in numerically and add sai after your age. Let's see some examples. 19 years old. 19歳です. 19歳 19 years old. Second example. 33 years old. 33歳です. 33歳です. 23 years old. 26 years old. 26歳. 26歳. 26 years old. Likewise, this literally means to be. So you can simply say your age in Japanese as watashi wa, your age, sai desu. After that, Arya said that she is a teacher. In Japanese, she said sensei desu, which means I'm a teacher. Sensei means teacher in Japanese. Desu means to be. It's a common word used to end the sentences. So, just you can introduce your occupation in Japanese like this. Let's see some examples. First one. I'm a student. Gakusei desu. I'm a student. Gakusei desu. Gakusei. 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 Gakusei means student. I'm an engineer. In Japanese you can say engineer desu. Engineer desu. I'm an engineer. Third example. I'm a company employee. Kaishain desu. Kaishain desu. Kaishain desu. Kaishain desu. Company employee. So follow this sentence to introduce your occupation in Japanese. Blank desu. Include your occupation to the given blank. After that all, finally you heard Arya say, "Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu." This phrase is used to end self-interaction and it literally means, "Please be good to me" or "Please treat me well." Likely idea. Obviously, it doesn't have a proper translation, but it gives the meaning like, "I look forward to work with you." You must say finally, "Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu" to end your interaction. Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Okay, so these are the basic phrases and tenses used to do your self-interaction in Japanese. First, remember to read. Welcome phrase. Then your name, your age, your country, if needed your occupation, and finally ending phrase. I'll repeat once Arya's introduction fast. Just listen. はじめまして。私はアリアです。カナダから来ました。私は23歳です。先生です。どうぞよろしくお願いします。Practice these steps well. Now you can do your self-interaction in Japanese. If you liked today's lesson, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon to get latest videos. Share the video with others, comment your ideas. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.